Kanun Menteri Kejala Meghalaya haka hinyau terik urisau kelasong jingelang banyak keren helor ki jing ai jingmut jangka high level committee haka baydai bat ka harijan koloni hayo mulong. Ningkong haka baydai bat kejinong trai kejaka kakai pot ka kedau badewani soy soskular ban shimtino kejaka da ka sorkar jela bat ka municipal board no siem ka hima meliam. Bat haga ni benta la sedangnya kakam. Ukonrad kongkal sangma ula pentep ban pendep ikene kakam hapok chitayo.
There were three recommendations that mainly came in. First recommendation was regarding the ownership of the land. As you're aware that there has been always a confusion from all sides as to who owns the land and who has the documentation paper or the rights over the land. So in the committee report, and obviously certain exercise has already been done, that the process of signing an agreement and taking possession of the land by the state government and the municipal board from the CM of Melim, the process of that has already started. Agreement has been signed, and the final procedure to actually take over and the possession of the entire land is in process, and it should be completed within a week's time. So this will be basically a tripartite agreement between the CM of Milim and the state government, which is the Urban Affairs Department, and the municipal board. So this is the first recommendation, and the processes for that have started. We are hopeful that the entire process to take over the possession of the land will be completed by next week.
Shosho Menteri Rangba ula keren haka baydai ba kejing penkendria ek office jong ke municipal board kebelasna ha kejing sisa kum ka quarter baru loong bahab ban penkendria na Bishop Cotton Road syakawe kejaka ke Basipor kata haka office berim jong ke MBDA bat haka ne kebenta ladon kejing ajing mut.
Second was that the process of shifting of the municipal office from the Bishop Cotton Road, which is the location where there were different quarters that were made, to a temporary location which is just across the street in the old MBDA office. That process also, the recommendation has been given that the municipal office should be shifted out from those quarters that were created in Bishop Cotton Road. And the next suggestion was that to facilitate the movement of the permanent municipal employees who are staying in the sweeper colony right now to those quarters that have been made where the municipal board is. So first the municipal board office will shift to the MBDA office, and once the shifting is done, the municipal employees, the permanent employees, will then shift from the sweeper colony into these quarters in Bishop Cotton Road. Third was that the other employees of other departments, close to about 57 families are there. Out of them, close to 50%, I don't have the exact number with me right now because the process is on, but close to 50% have already moved out from Sweeper Colony and gone to different locations. And we are also, the committee has recommended that we will further request the others also to shift from Sweeper Colony and go to the designated locations which the department, their parent departments will give.
Ka jing ai jingmut balai jong ka high level committee kalong ban penkendria ikinong tray ka municipal kibasa ha harijan koloni hayo maulong syaki quarter jong ka municipal board. Menteri Rangba uloong ru bakumbasan punyau teli kilong gieng kisa ha harijan koloni. Bat nakini kumbasan po naksispa akladap mi syaki baipat kijaka. Uloong baan sabatha ikilong gieng kibarangsa ban kendria no syaki jaka balabo da ka municipal. Ukonrad kongkal sangma ulo benrap balabatha ekatanat urban affairs banwat da ka waipat gejaka na kabentaki waipat kiberiau kibasa ha harijan koloni.
Also that the committee has recommended that the Urban Affairs Department work out a possible and a new location for relocation of the other people who are present out there. And for this purpose, the Urban Affairs Department has been asked to work out the mechanism, come up with a proposal and present it to the cabinet, and post that, after examining all those aspects, this fourth suggestion that was given, the government will take a call on that. So that's what. So what they have said is that this Urban Affairs Department, which is now going to be the technically the owner of the land, along with municipal board, as the agreement has been signed and the final taking over of the and possession of the land will take place, has recommended that the Urban Affairs Department will find locations for relocation of the individuals who are there, who are not part of the employees of different departments, including municipal board, and then suggest to the government on how to move forward. There is a process of eviction also, and all these processes have to be followed. So therefore, Urban Affairs Department will go into all those aspects and come with a recommendation to the government. Yeah, so we will challenge the status quo. If the court has, if there is a status quo that has been pushed by the or has been ordered by the High Court, then we will definitely challenge that status quo order.